In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from Gemini. First, open Gemini, launch it in your browser or the app, and sign in if you're prompted. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a slower connection or a lot of previous conversations. Navigate to the chat or project where your image appears, or generate a new image as you normally would. The key is to make sure the image you want is visible on your screen before moving on. Once you have the image, click the image. Selecting it opens a larger preview so you can clearly confirm it's the one you want. This step also brings up the image's toolbar, which is where you'll find the controls you need. If you're seeing only a small thumbnail, click again to expand it into the full view. Taking a second to check the details here helps ensure you're downloading the correct version. Now look for the download icon and click it. The icon typically looks like a downward arrow and is often located near the top corner of the image preview. If you don't see it right away, hover your cursor over the image or tap once on mobile to reveal the on-image controls. When you click the download icon, your browser or device will either save the file immediately to your default downloads folder or ask you to choose a location. If you get a prompt, pick a folder you can find easily, Downloads, Desktop, or a dedicated Images folder, and consider renaming the file to something descriptive so it's easy to locate later. After the download completes, open your Downloads folder and double-check the file. Make sure it's saved in the expected format, that the resolution looks right, and that the image opens correctly in your photo viewer. If you don't see the file right away, refresh your File Explorer or check your browser's recent downloads list. If the download icon didn't appear earlier, expand the image to full view, make sure you're signed in, and refresh Gemini to reload the interface. Also confirm you're on a stable connection, since weak internet can delay image controls or downloads. That's it. Open Gemini, click the image to bring it into focus, then click the download icon to save it. Keep your files organized, respect any usage policies that apply to your image, and you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.